Workspot is an enterprise VDI platform engineered for simplicity, allowing the seamless streaming of virtual desktops and applications from any location in this hybrid multi-cloud world to any device. Illustrating this flexibility, we'll use our unified admin interface, Workspot control, to showcase how effortlessly enterprise Windows desktops can be provisioned from GCP and Nutanix on-prem and Amazon Workspaces core. Let's dive right in. Let's begin with GCP, our first cloud platform choice. I'll navigate to the Add Pool option. From a comprehensive list of available public and private clouds, I'll select GCP and then specify a pool usage type of named and a desktop pool type of persistent. After choosing a Windows 10 template, I'll specify the region, US East 4, choose the networking configuration, then VM class anywhere from 2x8 to GPU. I'll select 2x8 for this demonstration, then select the disk class. Here we'll choose a premium disk, a 128GB SSD, assigning the desktop pool name as GCP and setting the pool display name accordingly. I'll specify 5 desktops in this pool. Then I'll set the desktop name. I'll also call it GCP. Here's the gateway selection list. My machine is going to be in US East 4. I'll put the gateway there as well. The other settings will remain default. Clicking Create and confirming with Yes, Update, the GCP desktops are now in the process of being provisioned. Moving forward, the next resource represents our hybrid configuration within our colocation, utilizing a Nutanix machine. The process repeats with the selection of a persistent setup, Windows 10 template, and specifying details such as the pool name set to Nutanix and the display name set to Windows 10 Nutanix. After configuring the appropriate gateway route for the Nutanix colocation, I'll click the Create button, initiating the provisioning of the Nutanix desktops. Continuing our journey, we'll set up a third resource pool on Amazon Workspaces core. Here, following a similar process of selecting a named and persistent configuration, template, and specifying details like pool name, Windows 10 Workspaces core, and desktop name, we'll choose the gateway for AWS US West. Clicking Create establishes the configuration for Amazon Workspaces core desktops. This straightforward process demonstrates how to create multiple desktops in 3 different locations in our hybrid multi-cloud world, across 2 public clouds and 1 on-prem private cloud. As GCP desktops come online, they register and enter a pause state, showcasing Workspot's focus on cost optimization with a pause and resume feature. This serves as yet another testament to Workspot's role as a hybrid multi-cloud enterprise VDI platform engineered for simplicity.